Today we're cleaning my 1 pound wax pots. We're going to just turn it up, put it on high for about a minute or two until we get a little bit of meltdown that gives us this little ring right here moving, as you can see, my little disc. And then you can use 2 sticks if you're struggling with one. Got some chopsticks here. Now, my client came in and she sprayed some perfume on her, and I didn't cover the wax pot yet with the lids. So I was like, damn, I think it went into these 2 pots. So I had no choice, guys. Better to be safe than sorry. Okay? So once you're done doing that, go ahead and grab a paper towel and try to let it absorb as much of the wax as possible. And once you're done doing that, you'll notice how easier it is to move with the last step of cleaning. Now, this is hot, so you definitely should be wearing gloves. Y'all know Wax Lady, I'm gangster, so I do what it do, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna just go ahead and use some Goo Gone, and then after using the Goo Gone, I'm going to follow up with some of my alcohol, my 91% alcohol, just to help disinfect and wipe away whatever chemicals are in the Goo Gone. Now you see here, don't forget pink and red wax always stains pots, so make sure you try to clean it as best as possible. And yeah, guys, I'm really happy with the results of these 2 1-pounders. Now I can go ahead and review a different wax for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.